Umbrella Sedge, Umbrella Papyrus, or Umbrella Palm is a grass-like plant in the very large genus of the sedge family. The plant is native to West Africa, Madagascar, and the Arabian Peninsula, but widely distributed throughout the world. It has gained the Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. Umbrella sage is frequently cultivated as an ornamental plant worldwide. It is planted in gardens, in the ground, pots, and ponds, and as a houseplant. They have the appearance of the spokes of an umbrella. The bracts are sometimes referred to as leaves. The true leaves on this plant clasp the tall stem in a manner so that they are hard to distinguish from the stem. This plant does well in sun or light shade. However, it requires protection from strong sun and harsh winds, as the bracts can be damaged from exposure. Whether grown as part of a water garden or indoors as a houseplant, keep the soil moist or grow in standing water. Fertile soil is preferred. A perfect companion to broadleaf tropicals such as Umbrella sage are canna, New Zealand flax, windmill palm. Umbrella sage also aids in mosquito control by attracting dragonflies. Studies of the root and leaf extracts of umbrella sage show moderate activity against all yeast tested, while the root extract showed a clear antioxidant activity.